Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp group. Now to start, when you open your WhatsApp, it will take you directly to chats. For you to create a group, hit on the plus icon and this will take you to the main profile where you will find all your contacts. Now the first option on our list is new group. This is what we shall use to create a new group. Go ahead and tap on it. Find the contacts that you want to invite to the group. Add them, add as many as you can. Once you are done, click on the forward arrow to go ahead and create the group name. Then click on tick to create the group. Now the group has been created. Just from here, you can go ahead and start inviting people through SMS, or if you don't want to do it now, just click on not now. Now from here, you want to give a brief description of what your group is all about. Go ahead and tap on add description. Give a brief description about your group. Give a brief summary, and once you are done, just click on OK, and that is it. From here, you can go ahead and add as many people as possible. To add people, simply hit on your group and click on add, and you will go to your contact list and add as many people as you can. The next thing you need to do is to add an icon. For you to be able to add an icon or a logo to your group, just hit on the logo button and this will take you to your gallery or to your camera to take a photo. If you already have a photo in your gallery, tap on gallery, identify the image you want to use, and then click on done to add it as your profile picture. And as you can see, the group icon has been added successfully. Now in the next video, I'll show you how you can add members of your group as group admins. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye for now.